Welcome back. We're going to do some more doorbell cameras, doorbell vids, 2023 best fails. A lot of these are quite funny, aren't they?
So it amazes me that so many people fall over so often.
Yeah. I actually did see a good one a couple of weeks ago. And I'll have to find it for you. But it's basically like Amazon delivery drivers or whatever, just chucking parcels down and everything else, generally being angry. Just chucking stuff down. Yeah, just chucking it on the porch, slamming it around the place. They're angry. And instead of like kind of getting mad, the guy he films it and he puts some like snacks and some water in a chiller, in a cool box. Please take one. Delivery drivers, please take one. Take one of these, take one of them. Help yourself to a snack. That's quite nice, that's not funny. And then all of a sudden it shows you the same guys coming back, the same sort of couriers, and all of a sudden like the demeanour drops because it's like a hot summer's day, they're getting some water, and then they're going away not angry. So it's quite a nice video.
Like a random act of kindness.
Yeah, like a random act of kindness thing. And
I like the ones where they're talking to the animals. You know, where delivery drivers talk to, like, there might be like a cat on the porch or whatever. I always like them.
Yeah.
Just because I'm a sucker.
Yeah. We'll maybe find some of them.
Right, let's have a look then.
Right, let's go. Look at them streaks, man. They look amazing, don't they? Why is it covering it? It's just like, I'm sneaking out. Why is he trying to cover that? Why? Why?
Is that so he doesn't take our drunkies when he comes back home?
Possibly.
I'm confused.
Don't know.
He's having a good day.
Yeah.
You think I advance? Take the keys. I can't. I have fear on my head. Absolutely.
Well, there goes the donut. Ah! Oh, something.
Oh my God! Two was just went. Hank, no!
No.
They all keep going in there.
I don't want to step in the grass because there's no way I can make it. One step.
Who invented hammocks? It's so
I know.
stupid,
What's the point of them? God, I had a vision then of an accident. Chips. Oh, don't drop it.
Oh, that's good.
Get away from me. I don't want you over here. Get away. Here, go. Over there. Go. Damn it.
It's only a squirrel.
I'd love that.
Oh, look at America. Big houses.
He's filling where he's stuck.
You see this a mile off.
I just cleaned it.
Yeah. Put it on the floor.
Yeah, just put it.
Why do that? Put it down. Put it down on the floor.
Ouch.
Hey, Gloria.
Who's talking?
This is Ronnie.
Who says how you doing?
Oh my God.
I'm not
Old
home.
people.
What you
What?
got? What do you have? Is that a package?
I'm talking
Get off the phone and talk to me.
Wait a minute.
Confused,
What?
bless her.
Talk to the doorbell.
You want me to ring the doorbell?
Oh, God, you don't believe what I just did. Oh, you're going to kill me. I walked right through that door. I think I can put it back. Oh, my God, I hate you. I should have.
Careful, the floor is deceptively flat.
Yeah.
I like it.
Face plant. Oh, no.
It's gonna hurt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like this. Just like that, okay?
Let's just go whack it into the little
no.
one. Oh! No. Phew.
She did.
She did. She did.
No.
What's the wire broke on the strimmer? That's like
I've seen
me.
you launch out a few times.
I did. It's
know.
dead now. The strimmer, I've killed it.
Oh, man.
Is that glass? Oh.
Oh, I hate that feeling when you miss the last step. It's holding a baby then.
Yeah.
No.
First plan.
What's this?
Lacrosse.
No, this.
Oh, that? I don't know.
Is it a
Just
leaf?
a bit of fluff.
Yeah, how you go get it?
I hate when people make people jump.
That's the same one.
Yeah,
Is that from a different video or the same one?
same one.
Same video.
Are we on a loop?
Must have been a loop.
Oh my God!
Hey, why do you up too far?
You messed up, and when you messed up your rhythm.
See, Nicole's way back here. Oh, are you kidding? Oh, Good.
Oh. Knees.
The size of these houses.
That's crazy.
It's gonna close, isn't it? The Amazon man.
Trapped.
Yeah. Indiana Jones. Go on.
It was a run and slide job, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a run and slide job.
This is how my day's gone.
That's UK. Gotta be.
No. American. It was all American.
You eating a little bowl? Yeah.
Two friends.
Chickens.
chickens.
Well, you're in the way.
Nothing's
Are we
happening.
missing something here? Don't know what happened there.
That's the increase in the type of mushroom. Oh my God! You okay?
Oh, look, those onions?
Golf balls.
Golf balls. Oh, don't use a ladder like that. Oh, man. Stupid.
That's just stupidity.
Stupidity. I've never used a ladder like that.
Look at
What's
how
that?
filthy that is.
I thought that was a sloth walking backwards.
Now that would be
Looked
a
like
video.
one.
Oh look. I'd love a porch.
I know. Oh, don't drop.
Oh, boo.
Okay.
That wasn't as funny.
Not as funny, no.
I don't like them.
But they're not all great, are they? Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
We're going to go back and do some more.
You need to stop. Why is it still playing?